always wanting some more. Security is there. So, my question is, you have sufficient safeguard for you, security guards around you, you can be able to pay more money for your servants, all right. You have a big palace-like house, all right. Most expensive cars you have, all right. You have better health, all right. Are you happy? Is my question. Are you satisfied? Now comes more power. Money may not be needed much, but I want more power. The more is changing to another dimension, another area, isn't it? Where is the end to it?
There's never enough.
That means man can't be happy at any point of time. Is that the result?
Very sad.
Very sad. Is it not a sad situation? If this longing continues till the person dies, that means man can't be, there is no scope for the man to be happy or peaceful or blissful. Is it true?
Yeah.
You watch people, you will know. Poor people are longing for much more, and the medium class people longing for much more. The richest of the richest are still longing for something else. Go and talk to superstars of Hollywood people. You will know what I am saying. Do you think all the superstars earning millions of money, they are happy? Definitely not. They have super money, super fame, super health also. Everything is super.
Even Jim Carrey says,
Jim Carrey's.
you can get all these things and then you will see you will not be happy.
You see the example. What is he doing today, Jim Carrey? What is he doing, Mr. Jim Carrey?
Talking about spirituality.
He is just traveling with a Eckhart and people like him. He is talking more about spirituality today than ever before.
And Russell Brand also.
Many people,
Yeah.
many examples are there. In India also I can give many more examples. They come to a point of understanding that fame cannot satisfy a person, however big it is. Money can't give satisfaction, however big you have.
The understanding.
So then what gives satisfaction? That's a question. Everyone should ask this question. That's my interest. Every citizen, whether born in America or in India or China, doesn't matter. Everybody should ask this question. If money, fame or power or abundance of material is not satisfying me, what else can satisfy me?
Why waste my time?
This is really a $1 million question. $1 million question. Questioning oneself. Because we have been seeing people, I'm not telling about story. What is really happening in the world we are discussing. It's a small group.
This is never questioned. It's accepted like that's the way
It's not questioned at all. That's a pitiable situation. This unconscious cycle is going on. The poor thinks when I become a middle class richness, I will be happy. The poor thinks. The middle class people is thinking that I will be happy when I become a millionaire. This unconscious cycle is going on. Hardly very few people start asking oneself that what else can satisfy me? If fame is not satisfying me, if pleasures are not satisfying me, if money, abundance of money is not satisfying me, If knowledge, I may be having a world knowledge. Watch the people who is having full of knowledge. They are so sad inside. I have seen many, many brilliant people, philosophers. You talk about any subject, they are ready to answer. They are so sad inside. Their abundance of knowledge never helped them to be happy. What kind of knowledge then? What is the use of such knowledge? Dedicating the whole life to learn the whole world details.
You see that suicide is on the rise from young people up, and it's because this.
Because of this. Suicides are happening because of this. Because they have not created a question. They have not created any such question which you are discussing now. That's why they feel that all the doors are closed now. When they feel the doors are closed, they commit suicide.